Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create retrochrome text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open the Layer panel, and create a solid color adjustment layer. Apply the dark blue color to it. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using Stora regular font. And apply the gray color to it. Then open blending options. Apply bevel and emboss. Follow my settings. And add contour to it. Go to the rectangular marquee tool, and create a shape around the text. And create blank layer. And apply black and white gradient to it. Then right-click on it, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Click on the adjustment layer, and choose Gradient Map. Follow my colors settings. Then select Text Layer, and open Inner Shadow Blending options. Follow my settings. Then stroke to it with these settings. Click on Text Layer, and you can edit the text. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.